Ever wondered how many people it takes to run a mile? I mean, really run a mile, lightning fast, pushing your body to its absolute limits? You might be thinking, one person, obviously. And you'd be right, for a regular mile. But what if I told you there's a way to conquer that distance even faster, by teaming up with others? I'm talking about the exhilarating world of relay races. So, the burning question is, how many people are in a relay? The answer, while seemingly simple, has a few nuances depending on the specific type of relay we're talking about. Because, believe it or not, there's more than one kind of relay race out there. Let's start with the most common type you probably picture in your head, the sprint relay. Think of the Olympics, the World Championships, those electrifying moments where athletes explode off the blocks, batons clutched tightly in their hands. In these sprint relays, whether it's the 4x100 meters or the 4x400 meters, the magic number is 4. 4 runners, each covering a leg of the race, working together as a seamless unit to achieve a common goal. But why 4? What makes this number so special? Well, it's a delicate balance. 4 runners allow for a team dynamic, a sense of shared responsibility and camaraderie. It's enough people to make a significant impact on the overall time, leveraging the strengths of different runners. Imagine trying to run a 4x100 meter relay with just 2 people. Each runner would have to cover a much longer distance, significantly increasing the overall time. On the other hand, having, say, 6 or 8 runners would make the baton exchanges incredibly complex and increase the risk of fumbles and lost time. 4, it seems, is the sweet spot. Think about the 4x100 meter relay. Each runner specializes in a different part of the sprint. You've got the explosive starter, the powerful straightaway runner, the curve specialist, and the anchor, the one who brings it home, often in a nail-biting finish. Each member of the team plays a crucial role, and the success of the relay hinges on their individual performance as well as their ability to execute clean baton exchanges. These exchanges are an art form in themselves, practiced relentlessly to shave off precious milliseconds. A smooth, efficient exchange can make all the difference between winning and losing. Now, let's move beyond the traditional sprint relays. While 4 is the magic number for these races, there are other types of relays where the team size can vary. Take, for example, cross-country relays. These races often feature teams of 4, but sometimes you might see variations with more or fewer runners, depending on the specific event and the age group. The distances covered in cross-country relays are usually longer than sprint relays, and the terrain is much more challenging, often involving hills, mud, and other obstacles. Teamwork and strategy are paramount in these races, as runners need to pace themselves and support each other throughout the course. Then you have the more unconventional relays, the ones that really push the boundaries of what a relay can be. Think of adventure races, where teams might consist of several members, navigating challenging terrain and completing various tasks along the way. These relays are less about speed and more about endurance, teamwork, and problem solving. The number of participants in these races can vary significantly, depending on the specific event. And let's not forget about recreational relays. These are the fun runs, the charity events, where teams of all shapes and sizes come together to participate in a shared experience. These relays might involve teams of 4, but they could also have larger teams, depending on the format of the event. The emphasis here is on participation and camaraderie, rather than strict competition. The number of people on a team is often secondary to the fun and the sense of community. So, to recap, the most common answer to the question how many people are in a relay is 4. This is the standard for sprint relays, the ones you see in major athletic competitions. But, as we've explored, the number can vary depending on the type of relay. Cross-country relays, adventure races, and recreational relays can all have different team sizes. The key takeaway here is that a relay is more than just a race, it's a team effort. It's about individuals coming together, pooling their talents and working towards a common goal. Whether it's 4 runners sprinting around a track or a larger team navigating a challenging wilderness course, the essence of a relay is collaboration, shared responsibility, and the thrill of achieving something together that would be much harder to accomplish alone. It's a testament to the power of teamwork and the human desire to push our limits, both individually and collectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.